Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start English literature revising. Revision started. Now, Farmer Ben's boot. Farmer Ben had a farm, and on that farm he had 17 cows, 46 sheep, 39 goats, 62 geese, 49 white hens, and a big red rooster. A dozen pigs, a couple of horses, 3 cats, and a dog called Jinka. What a lot of animals! Farmer Ben was a busy man. He had no time to stand around. He was busy from early in the morning till late at night. Everywhere that Farmer Ben went on his farm, Zinka followed closely behind. In the morning, Zinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper for Farmer Ben. Then, when Farmer Ben had drunk his first cup of tea for the day, Zinka would get his boots. That means Zinka always follow followed him, and he has so many animals in his farm. Farmer Ben had a smart pair of brown boots. He wore them all day. They kept his feet warm and dry. You could always tell where Farmer Ben had been because there were footprints everywhere. See his boots, wherever he is going, the footprints of the boot is there. One day Farmer Ben stand drinking his tea. He was waiting for Zinka to bring him his boots. But Zinka was nowhere to be seen. Zinka, Zinka, he called, and after ages, Zinka came, but she was carrying only one boot. He was calling Zinka, but after a long time, Zinka came, but only one boot. Now, where is the other one? Asked Farmer Ben. Zinka sat in front of him with one paw, with his knee. Her tail worked. Farmer Ben looked all over the house for his boot. Zinka looked too, but she could not find it anywhere. Farmer Ben looked very funny that day. He walked with a boot on one foot and a shoe on the other. Instead of boot, he wore a shoe. Now go and find my other boot, said Farmer Ben to Zinka. Zinka ran off to ask other animals if they had seen Farmer Ben's missing boot. Zinka went to the field. Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? She asked the horses. Neigh, neigh, they said. We haven't. That means the sound of horse is called neighing. Zinka asked the cows, have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? Moo, said the cows, swishing their nails. Zinka ran over the pigsty and asked the pigs where pigs are staying. That is called pigsty. Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? No, wink, wink, they grunted. That means the sound of the pig. And went back to their feet. They are making sound, and they are busy with their food. Farmer Ben went hopping all over the farm, leaving funny footprints in the mud. That means one print is shoe and another print is boot. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Jinka did not give up. She went to see hens. Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? She asked. They did not answer. They went on scratching. That means they are searching their food. Then Zinka asked the 46 sheep, the 39 goats, and 62 geese, and the large red rooster, but they all said the same thing. We have not seen Farmer Ben's boot. Now let us go on with eating, please. They are going to their eating. Zinka was worried. No one had seen Farmer Ben's boot. Where could it be? Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? Zinka asked the cats. No, said the first cat. No, said the second cat. Well, perhaps, said the third cat. It is funny you should ask. I was in the barn looking for mice in the morning. Barn means a large building on a farm used for animals or to store things. And sure enough, there was the boot. So Jinka did not wait. She ran to the barn, and sure enough, there was the boot. Zinka picked up the boot and rushed off to find Farmer Ben. Now happy he was to see his boot again. "What a good girl you are," said Farmer Ben. He took the boot from Zinka and patted her. "I shall sit down right now and put it on," said Farmer Ben. So Farmer Ben sat down and took off his shoe. Then he put the boot on. But oh dear, as Farmer Ben put on the boot, he jumped up in the air. "Aye!" he shouted and hopped about the yard. Farmer Ben kicked the boot off. He went flying high up in the air. Farmer Ben fell and landed in the mud with a thud. The boot landed with a thud in the mud right next to Farmer Ben, and holding on to Farmer Ben's toes were 5 baby white mice. That means in the boot there are 5 baby mice there. Poor white mice, they would have to find another home now. That means mice are staying there. So when the Farmer Ben put on that boat, the homeless white mice, they were homeless, they are seeking the other house. Written by Nicholas Horsburgh. Thank you.